Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod's Soup Collection. Every Monday from now until the Sky Garden begins in May, I will be posting a new soup recipe. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make it will be down in the description below. If you make this recipe, please let us know how it went. And here we go. This classic beef barley soup is rich, hearty, and perfect for cold days. Tender beef, nutty barley, and slow-simmered vegetables come together in one comforting pot that's filling, freezer-friendly, and even better the next day. This recipe walks you through every step, from prepping the beef to proper storage and reheating. So make it once and enjoy it all week. Perfect for meal prep, cozy family dinners, and soup season. Okay, to prep our ingredients, we're going to chop our beef chuck into 1.5-inch pieces and season the beef with salt and pepper. Then we're going to dice up our onion and dice up the carrot and the celery. Then we're gonna mince our garlic and rinse off our barley. We're gonna heat our olive oil in a large soup pot over medium-high heat and brown the beef in batches until deeply browned on all sides. Then remove the beef from the pot and set it aside. Then we're going to reduce the heat to medium and add the onions, carrots, and celery. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes until softened. We're going to stir in the garlic and the tomato paste and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Okay, we're going to add about 1 cup of the beef broth to the pot and scrape up the fond or the brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Then we'll add our beef back into the pot along with any accumulated juices. We're going to add the remaining broth, the barley, bay leaves, thyme, and rosemary. We're going to bring that to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Then we're going to cover that and simmer it for 60 to 75 minutes until the beef is tender and the barley is cooked. Then we're going to remove the bay leaf, taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper. Then we're going to ladle that into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley if desired. Now for storage, we're going to put that in airtight containers. You can store that in the fridge for up to 4 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. The barley will absorb liquid, so add extra broth when reheating. Warm that gently on the stovetop or microwave in 1-minute intervals, stirring in between. So there you go, beef barley soup. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos here that you can click on to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.